I met the Honorable Home Minister 2 years ago, and I asked him for inclusion of Kokborok in English, in the Roman script. And it was very categorically told to me and to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Mizoram that the policy of the Government of India is to accept Indian script and not foreign script for the languages. So if you see the Khasi script, it has not been included in the 8th schedule. If you see the Mizo language, it has not been included in the 8th schedule. And even for Kokborok, they said that if we accept it in any other script which is out of the Indian civilization, be it Hindi, be it Devanagari, be it Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi, they are willing to accept it. Sanskrit or basically therefore, but they will not accept it in Roman script. So my question is that if they have a problem with that, then they should write it and make it abundantly clear that the Government of India's policy since 1950 has been not to accept English as a script for any of the states in the northeast, be it the Mizos, be it the Khasis, Garos and Jaintiyas, or now be it the Tiprasa people. If that is made clear, then we will know what the policy of Government of India is, and then we will take a decision after looking at the view.